Hi, Goodbody here to say, most of us have got five senses. Yes, indeed, you know it's true. But there are also lots of people who may be lacking one or two. These are people with a handicap that makes it tougher to get along, but still they're very special, and they can grow up smart and strong. We depend upon our hearing and upon our sense of sight, but can you just imagine how things would be if they didn't work right? You'd have to find a certain way to help yourself along every day. And now it's time to learn a few of the things handicapped people do. A person who is blind relies on other things besides his eyes. Sometimes a cane fills the need. Sometimes a guide dog is there to lead. And though the eyesight may have failed, they can still read using Braille. Raised up dots are what you get when your fingers read this alphabet. People who have lost their hearing sense live in a world filled with silence. Suppose your hearing suddenly quit. You wouldn't like it, no, not one little bit. The deaf can still communicate in a way that's just first rate. It's called sign language, and what I'll do is teach a little bit of it to you. Right now, I'll show you how. Some words we use in sign language are very simple and easy to learn. Right now, I'm saying up. Use sign language with me. Now let's say down. Push. Pull. Some things are a little bit harder to say. When I move my hands around in a circle like this, I'm saying jump rope. You try it. Now say jump. Say seesaw. Learn this one. I am proud. Say good night. Have you heard it said, where there is a will, then there is a way. Make your dreams come true tomorrow. Work hard today. Handicapped people are special folks meeting challenges each day. I respect the courage and will that they display. Have you ever heard of Helen Keller? She was born blind and deaf, and yet she learned to read Braille, and finally she even learned to speak. Helen Keller went to college, wrote books, and helped other handicapped people. Ludwig van Beethoven was a great composer, and he wrote some of his most powerful and beautiful work after he had gone deaf. Spirit and sun saw these people through, working hard at what they wanted, made dreams come true. Handicapped people are special folk, meeting challenges each day. I respect the special qualities which they display.